Hey guys, what's going on? This is Mark from Ohio. I just received my set of fairings from NT Fairings for my 2011 GSXR. As you can see, all the colors are vibrant. The clear coat is perfect. No chip parts. And believe it or not, I have all the accent pieces I need for it. We're going to put it on and show you what we got. And here is a semi-finished product. My buddy kind of messed up the vinyl on the tank there. But as you can see, fairings line up nicely and they work great. Every time I have to do little drilling and they line up perfect. So here's your finished product, guys. Thanks again to NT Fairings, and we'll be doing more business with them.